A charming 3+2 bedroom brick bungalow, well situated within an established neighbourhood of Toronto's Bendale community, welcomed at 90 Miramar Crescent. A corner property with lovely curb appeal, a magnolia tree and numerous maple trees grace the yards with their seasonal foliage. Garden beds are landscaped with perennial plantings, while interlocking walkways from the street and the driveway lead to the inviting front entrance. Opening into a foyer area with a mirrored door coat closet, the main level showcases warm wood finishes throughout, naturally bright principal rooms, as well as 3 spacious bedrooms. Hardwood flooring flows throughout the main hallway and into the open concept living and dining rooms. Elegantly finished with crown moldings, these beautiful entertaining spaces are brightened with light streaming through a huge bow window in the living area, with more natural brightness from the dining room's accent window and sliding door walkout. And the dining area also has the added ambient lighting of its pendant style light fixture. Other wood finishes throughout the home include most of the interior doors and the baseboards, and almost all of the door and window trims, while in the kitchen is beautiful oak cabinetry. Offering ample work and storage space with direct access to the dining room for entertaining convenience, the kitchen features a stainless steel double sink, fridge, stove, over-the-range microwave and dishwasher, has ceramic flooring and a large window, and has a cozy breakfast area with a wall cutout between it and the living room that maintains the wonderful open theme feel and flow of the principal spaces. During the warm weather months, the entertaining is extended to the outdoors via the sliding door walkout onto a deck in the side yard, which is fully fenced, shaded by mature trees, and has a storage shed and a kids' play structure. Along the bedroom hallway can be found a built-into-the-wall pantry, a linen closet, access to the lower level, as well as a 4-piece washroom with ceramic finishes throughout, a pedestal sink, and built-in toiletry cabinets. The 3 bedrooms all have large windows for abundant natural lighting, with the 3rd bedroom featuring hardwood flooring, while it and the 2nd bedroom have good-sized single closets, and the master bedroom, with its bright, sun-fresh color palette, has a mirrored door double closet. The lower level has its own separate entrance and offers great living space for the home, as well as being ideal for extended families. With either ceramic flooring or carpeting in all the living spaces, this level features a cold room and under the staircase storage, as well as a huge recreation space with pot lighting and a corner gas fireplace. Off the recreation area is a 2nd master bedroom that has 2 mirrored door closets and 2 oversized windows, while adjacent to it is a 3-piece washroom with a pedestal sink and a corner glass shower. At the opposite end of this level is a wet bar with a stainless steel double sink, lots of cabinetry storage, and access to additional storage space, a 2nd bedroom with a mirrored door closet, as well as laundry facilities. Just a short walk to Nob Hill Public School, the Bendale branch of the Toronto Public Library, TTC service, and places of worship, this home is also close to local shopping plazas, the Scarborough and Rouge Hospital, as well as the numerous nature trails that wind through nearby Thompson Memorial, Bendale, McCowan, and Nob Hill parks, while Cedarbrae and Scarborough Town Centre malls, the Eglinton GO and Lawrence East subway stations, as well as access to Highway 401, are all short drives away.